So am I decorating for fall right now? Well, that's a big no. But I am sharing DIYs in case you're like me and you need more than a weekend, maybe like a month, to make all your DIY decor, and you know the good stuff goes fast. This video is for you. If that's not you, hey, no hard feelings. You come on over whenever you're ready, August, September, I'll be here, no big deal. Okay, friend, this first DIY is super easy and inexpensive. Pick up any plastic bin from the Dollar Tree. Obviously, I'm using an old Easter bucket. And I suggest using like thinner plastic, like a Tupperware bowl or something. Cut it down the sides, and then you can just like snap it in half with your hands. And you're gonna be able to make 2 of these. Next, 1 pack of the chopping mats. This is in the kitchen section. Comes in a pack of 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. Trace out your bucket or your bowl, cut it out, super easy. Then I really suggest using duct tape. I'm sure other tapes will work. I just know hot glue does not really hold the plastic. Duct tape has a very strong hold on plastic, and hot glue will definitely stick to duct tape. Are you still with me? All right, hope so. Cool. Now I'm using scrap burlap, but you can use whatever you want. I'm just using burlap because it's cheap and expensive, and I already have this laying around. But I also saw this print at Hobby Lobby. You can get a yard for less than $4 with the coupon. I think that would be super cute. I also know I saw, like, I want to say it was Sarah Jane from Chic on the Cheap, or maybe Liz at My DIY Home, maybe both of them, I don't know. They found like some baby blankets with buffalo check from the Dollar Tree, super cute. Dollar Tree's rope comes in 3 strands, and you can pull it apart, which I do because I'm cheap and I want it to last longer. So I'm using the thicker 2 strands to hang the basket. The thinner strand around the top made a little bow, and this is the first one I did. And the second one I made, I like better. Everything else the same, except I use the raffia, correct me, which is kind of messy, but that's kind of the look I was going for. I didn't want perfectly neat and uniform. Hot glued a bow on, and then for like the little hang down, took some scissors and snipped it, but randomly, once again, I didn't want it to be uniform. Now I'm putting some of Walmart's $2 eucalyptus picks, which I love. It's triple the size of their 97-cent eucalyptus picks, so I think it's a great deal. 1 cotton stem from Dollar Tree, and 1 of the fall daisies, which are super cute. And now I'm not a professional like flower arranger, so I just kind of threw them in there, tried to copy something I saw online. I like the way this looks. I mean, obviously you can put whatever florals you want in here, and it can be changed out seasonally or customized to whatever you want. For the other one, I just played with it, threw some of the 97-cent eucalyptus in there, and that's 4 of these picks. So there's the difference in how much you get for $2.97. The next DIY, 2 of the medium-size houses and 2 of the shortest houses. Push the back off. It's really not hard to do. It looks harder on camera because I'm trying to keep it in frame and not knock the camera over at the same time. Peel the paper off the back, and I'm using the same RUST-OLEUM chalk paint I always use. It just got a new look, and I got a new can after like, what, 8 months of using it. Paint all over the back, make it white. And then these tumbling tower games from Dollar Tree. They're extremely small because I've had people say in the comments like I could only find the mini ones. That's the right ones. They're super small. Made the letters FLL till I had them even, and I liked the way they looked. Super glue gel, the smallest dab ever, and glue my pieces together. Didn't touch them for 10 minutes till they're dry. After that, you can paint them whatever color you want. I did 1 coat of territorial beige, nothing special, painted all over. And then going back with burnt umber and dry brushing it because I really liked the way this turned out. But hey, personal preference. Now, of course, you don't have to paint it the same way I am. So like if you're into glam, hey, spray paint it gold. If you like glitter, you're a brave soul, it makes me itch, cover it up in glitter. I like the way this looks. It reminds me of a log, and that reminds me of fall. Then using 1 of these leaves, that's going to be the A. Hot glue on the back of a Jenga block and hot glue on the front, and we're putting the leaf in the short, fat little house shadow box. Like the shorter one, but the wider one. You know what I'm saying? And then we do the same thing for the FLL. I did tall, short, tall, short. Now Dollar Tree does make 3 different sizes of these. So you could use 3 sizes if you wanted to. Do what you gotta do. I like the way 2 sizes looked. I played around with 3 and I don't know. I felt like this looked better for me. And here it is. So I staged this because I'm definitely not decorating for fall yet on my mantle, okay? And I like the way it looks, but actually I'm thinking where I want to put it is underneath my TV to help hide the TV wires. And here's like kind of what I'm thinking. So like maybe some fall garland underneath it with some pumpkins on the side, maybe pumpkins in the back, but the pumpkins in the back may be overkill. I don't know. Sometimes I struggle with like staging stuff, so let me know what you think about that, or give me more suggestions actually. Anyways, I love this DIY, definitely my favorite of the video. Next, one of these 50 count leaves bags, also from the Dollar Tree. I purchased 2 leaf garlands and another leaf pick stem. Totally overkill. I have so many leaves left over. And then I'm using a grapevine I've had on hand. Dollar Tree sells the same size, it's just skinnier, and it would definitely work too. Sorted out the leaves I didn't want. Pretty much I didn't want the dark burgundy and the ones that were like a neon yellow orange. Hot glued it all over the wreath. I'm not showing you every single step because I literally just hot glued the leaves on and covered the wreath. No rhyme, no reason, no pattern. And this is what it looks like when I'm done. Super simple. Then to hang it, I'm thinking like a primitive, rustic, unraveled burlap bow. But I also think this would be cute, like with maybe a little sign in the middle or with a chalkboard behind it. I just like simple wreaths that kind of are whimsical maybe, or not patterned. But you can totally customize this. So I hope this one inspires you, you like it. I don't know, I loved it. All right, now if you are a regular Dollar Tree DIYer shopper, you know that the summer items are going away soon. If you haven't seen this video, I use a lot of summer items to make some super cute, easy DIYs. I have it linked at the left. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.